I know it's been a while, but I'm back. We've been putting in so much work with the money team and in the Discord that I kind of fell short with YouTube, but I'm back. So I was going through my charts as we get ready for the week, and my Costco chart looks crazy. So this is a daily chart, and it has all of my support and resistance lines on it from like all my scalps and everything. So let's clean that chart up. Support and resistance lines are really important when it comes to your entries and your exits and what you're looking for on this chart. So, whatever chart you're on, this is a daily. I always start on a daily chart so we can get that bigger picture. And what you're looking for is places where buyers clearly stepped in and they pushed the price up. That will be your support line. And then you want to look at places where sellers stepped in and clearly pushed the price down, and that's your resistance. It's really important to make sure that you do have lines, your support and your resistance lines on every chart that you are trading because you never want to get caught in a like call out or something and you don't know where the exit is or you don't know where the next level is. So these lines kind of serve as a guide to let you know what might be coming up. Ideally, you want to have at least the first 3 to 4 levels to the upside from where the price currently is, and at least 3 to 4 levels to the downside at a minimum. You don't have to chart the whole chart. So basically, I went to the daily chart and I zoomed in a little bit, and I'm making these lines there. Sometimes, if you get to levels that we haven't been to in a long time, for example, Costco was really close to all-time highs, so there's not a whole lot of levels to the upside that exist. So we do the levels that we can see, and then once we get back to all-time high, we would use fibs to figure out what the next possible levels are. Now, to the downside, since we're revisiting territory that we've already been to, then we have plenty of levels that we can depend on to the downside. When plotting your lines, don't worry about them being perfect. You just want an ideal zone of where those buyers and sellers are stepping in. For example, if you see an area that has a lot of wicks, but the bodies are sitting on that line, that means that the buyers are not letting the price close below that level. And that's a big level that you want to hold. So on Costco, it's right around 842.45, and you can see that it's kind of sitting right at that level. So we want it to get below that, and then we can test our next level. Because a lot of my entries are really technical and I do a lot of short-term swings, whereas I might get in and secure profit next day or 2 days later, you might see more lines on my charts than other people, but I do need to know every level that I might get stopped at because I don't want to get into a swing where I'm looking for a short-term swing and then I'm missing a level and I run into that level and get caught up in a reversal. So sometimes I do chart a few more levels. Hopefully, this video has been helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and look forward to a lot more charting videos from me.